topic is possessive article. Now, if you read some books, this topic is sometimes written as or titled as possessive article or possessive pronoun. I personally prefer the term possessive article, and let me tell you why. So let's first, before we learn this topic, let me explain the title itself. Be rest assured that if you understand the title, that you will also understand the topic very easily. Okay, so the title is possessive article. So there are two terms here, possessive and article. Now, what is the use of article in German language? Well, the use of article in German language is to show the gender of the noun for which that particular article is used, right? And what is the meaning of the term possessive? Now, possessive is an adjective, the noun form is possession, and the verb is to possess. Okay, so to possess, to own something. Okay, so the term possessive, it shows some sort of ownership or relationship. So possessive articles, they are also just like the article. So far we have seen three types of articles: definite article, indefinite article, and possessive article. So possessive articles, since they are also an article, so by the very definition of article, they will also show the gender of the noun for which those articles are used. But this article, they are also of possessive nature. So apart from simply showing the gender of the noun, they will also show some sort of ownership or relationship. Okay. So possessive article, it is going to be just one word, but it will serve two purposes. The first, since it's an article, okay, it will show the gender of the noun for which it is used, and since it's possessive in nature, it will also show the ownership or relationship. With this much concept in mind, let's move ahead. Now, see, let's first learn this table of the possessive article. Now, before I go there, one more thing. See, what are the possessive articles in English? In English, the possessive articles are my, your, his, her, our, their. So, for example, this is my pen. Okay, so the my. Okay, it clearly shows the ownership. That to whom does the pen belong? Okay, so it belongs to me. I am the owner. Okay, so it shows the ownership. Okay, but in English, as we know, they don't have gender concept. Okay, so in English, the possessive article, they simply show the ownership. But if you talk about Gujarati or Hindi or any other Indian language, then you will clearly see that all the possessive articles, they always show ownership as well as the gender of the noun for which it is used. For example, this is my brother. Okay, so in Hindi it would be ye mera bhai hai. But if I want to say this is my sister, then it would be ye meri behan hai. These are my children. Then ye mere bacche hain. So you see, in English it remains my only. This is my brother, this is my sister, these are my children. But in Hindi it becomes mera, meri, mere. Okay, so both the things. So here they are showing both the things. Now, by the way, so why do you think this mera, meri and mere, it is getting changed according to what? It is obviously getting changed according to the gender of noun for which it. So this is, so ye mera bhai hai. Okay, doesn't matter whether a boy is saying this sentence कि भाई this is my brother, तो भी in Hindi it will be ये मेरा भाई है. If a girl is saying this sentence कि this is my brother, still the sentence would be ये मेरा भाई है. It will not become ये मेरी भाई है. Okay. Once again, remember, articles always show the gender of the noun for which it is used, never of the owner. This is the most important and crucial point of this entire topic. And this is the point where most of the students trip. If you mastered this point, then there is nothing else you need to worry about. Okay, be rest assured. So once again, whether a boy says something or a girl says something, okay, article, it doesn't matter, because article always shows the gender of the noun for which it is used. Okay, so mera bhai, meri behan, mere bacche, it is. So this article, my, it is having all these different form in Hindi, and it is getting changed according to the gender. The gender of the noun. Bhai is masculine, so mera bhai. Behan is feminine, so meri behan. Okay, and bache, that's plural, so mere bache. Okay, so with this much background, let's move to the German language, this concept in German language. So the topic is possessive articles. Okay, and what we are going to learn now is how to say this my, your, his, her, our, their, all these things in German. Okay, so now ich means I, the possessive form of I is my. Okay, now, so the masculine, how to say my in German? Obviously, my is what? It is a possessive article, and since it's an article, it has to show the gender. Okay, there are 4 types of masculine, feminine, neutral, and plural. So I need obviously 4 different words to say my. Yeah. Okay, one for masculine, one for feminine, neutral, and plural. Okay. So if it's masculine, then my means mine. Now, how to make feminine? You simply add e to the masculine part. Okay. So mine becomes mine. Okay, and then it's very easy. Masculine and neutral are same. Okay, and feminine and plural are same. So mine, 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 mine. So in other words, if you simply know the masculine form, okay, masculine form of all this possessive article, then you can simply make this entire table. Yeah. Okay. So let me just show you what are the masculine form. So for ich, so that is the possessive form of ich. My, so to say my, it is mine, mine, mine. For du, it is thine. So this is really simple, right? Ich, mein, du, thine. Yeah, quite easy. Ich, mein, du, thine. Now, wherever there is z, the possessive form is always going to be ear. Okay? S capital, I capital, S small, I small. Okay. Z is always ear. Now, R and S, they both are same. Sein, sein. So now that leaves us only these 2, okay, wir and ihr. The possessive form of wir is unser, and ihr you will anyways remember because it's an exception. The possessive form of ihr is euer. Now at higher levels in a topic called adjectives, you will learn that certain words, not all the words, okay, certain words that are ending in either er or el or em or en, things like that, okay, if you want to modify such words, not all the words that are ending in er or el or em, yeah, okay, few words, that is the criteria which you will learn later, okay, so certain words, okay, that are ending in this er, el, em, en, so on and so forth, if you want to modify them, you are allowed to modify them. But before you modify them, what you have to do is you have to remove e from this er or el or em or en. Okay. So now the masculine form here is euer. So obviously the feminine form ideally should be, I simply have to add e, so it should become eure, e-u-e-r-e. Yeah. But as I said, if I'm adding e, so that's like I'm modifying. And just now I told you that if I want to modify, okay, I'm allowed to modify. But before modifying, what should I do? I have to remove e from er. And so instead of feminine form being eure, e-u-e-r-e, it will now simply become eure, e-u-r-e. Okay? And so ear form, it would be euer, eure, euer, eure. Instead of euer, eure, euer, eure. It is now euer, eure, euer, eure. Understood? Now let's just look at couple of sentences. Okay, how to use this table. Okay, let's say the sentence is, this is my car. Okay, so how would you make it? Pause the video, okay, and give yourself a thought. Now, the answer is obviously, das ist mein Auto. Why mine? To say my, I have 4 options. Mine. So why mine only? Because my is an article, right? An article always shows the gender of the noun for which it is used. Here my is used for car, which is neutral in gender. And so I should be using my, but in neutral, so that is mine. Das ist mein Auto. Let's say the sentence is, this is our school. Okay, pause it again, give yourself a thought. Okay, think it for a minute. Yeah. Now, the answer for this sentence should obviously be Das ist unsere Schule. Das ist unsere Schule. Why unsere Schule? Because school, as it turns out, it's feminine, die Schule. Yeah? And so, R in feminine form, it is unsere. So, das ist unsere Schule. One more. This is her car. Think about it. Now, the answer, can you tell me what should be the answer? Das ist ihr Auto or das ist ihre Auto? Why ihr Auto or ihre Auto? Now, some of you might think her car, so her, feminine, yeah? So ihre Auto. But let me remind you, articles never show the gender of the owner. Articles always show the gender of the noun for which it is used. And here the noun is car. This is her car. Her is used for car. And car is neutral. And so it should be das ist ihr Auto. And not das ist ihre Auto. No, das ist ihr Auto. One more similar. This is his school. What should be the answer? It shouldn't be das ist seine Schule or das ist sein Schule. This is his school. So it should be das ist sein Schule. Yeah? No. No. It should not be das ist sein Schule. Just because it's his doesn't mean it's masculine. Once again, this is the point where students trip, okay? But this is probably, if you have your fundamentals really strong, you will never trip in the areas such as this. Always remember, what is the purpose of articles in German language? The purpose of article is to show the gender of the noun for which it is used. So this is his school. His is an article which is used for school, which is school is feminine, and so das ist seine Schule. Yeah. I hope it's clear. Okay. If you have any doubt, you know how to reach me. Ta-ta.